Kylie, what are you doing?
Sleeping.
Well, she is sleeping. I guess we can't do this.
Well, I'm Kylie. Ponies! Ponies! Oh my gosh! There's ponies!
Well, I'm Cindy, and I hate ponies.
Monsters! I'm awake now!
Well, man, I already pressed end. That's bad.